Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iMessage waiting for activation error on iPhone in iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 2. Turn off and on iMessage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on iMessage. On the iMessage page, turn off iMessage. Go back setting page. Swipe up, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shut down. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Go back setting page. Scroll down, tap iMessage. Turn on iMessage. Solution number 3. Sign out Apple ID and sign in back. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Apple ID. On the Apple ID page, scroll down, tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and turn off. And sign in back Apple ID. Solution number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 5. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.